Hello my alien students, welcome back. So actually today is I made a special typical class today. Okay, it's like a kind of question kind of class. Okay, I would like you to give me the answer. Okay, use your brains and give me your answer. Okay, let's suppose I select a pipe. Okay, and in this project you'd see there are a lot of different pipes I have created. Okay, different project pipes. Okay, different types of pipes. And let's suppose we go to 3D view. Okay, you can see there are different pipes, isn't it? Different pipes and even conduits. Yeah, cables and whatever, conduits, whatever. Many are there. Okay, so my question is, okay, let's suppose I close everything. Okay, I won't close everything. Let's say, yeah. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll open a new project. Okay, system and default metric answer. Okay. Now what's my question is, okay, let's open the project and tell you what's the question. This is the alien question. Okay, now when I open this new project, when I come to pipes, okay, I have only 3 of them. Okay, so my question is, okay, from this project, for example, if I select this conduit, this pipe, it's a communication cable. Okay, that would be electrical conduits. Okay, let's take a drainage pipe. For example, this one, sewage HDPE pipe. Okay, when I come to this project, I can do them again. One human method would be, or sheep method would be, redo it again, everything one by one. Okay, what's my question is, how do you change or how do you transfer? I want all of these, whatever settings which I have done here, I want it to be done there. Okay, so I want your help, or I want your expertise in telling me how to do it. Okay, this is kind of a question. Okay, and in the next class I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I'll see each other in the next class. I want you to tell me how would you do if I ask to give you a project. Okay, in the comment section you're going to say, John, I would be doing this. Okay, you get the picture? You get the question. I hope you get the question. Like, say for example, when I come here, I go to the system tab and I go to conduits. Okay, there are only so little few of them. Okay, but if I come here and if I go to conduits, where is conduits? System tab. Okay, I have so many of conduits, types of conduits. Okay, my question is, how do I get them to the next file? Okay, think and give me the answer. Okay, and once I get the answer, I'll tell you one alien trick. I'll be able to transfer all of these sizes here. Okay, think and give me the answer. Yalla, we see each other in the next class. Yalla, bye.